Hello children, how are you all? Okay, once again we are here and today we are going to learn something new. Okay, tell me, first of all, how many vowels are there? Correct, there are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. And you all are good children and you all are very clever. So, we have learned words with A sound and E sound. And today we are going to learn words with I sound. Which words children? I sound. Okay. Now you all must learn properly. You all are big children. So you must know to write all these words. So every day you have to write it once and practice it at home. Okay children. So all of you look on the board. Now look here. What is this? Which rhyming sound? Come on. I, T, it. All of you repeat children. I, T, it. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Yes. Now look here. What rhyming sound is this? Correct. I, T, it. Now look at the initial sound. Which initial sound you can see? Yes. Correct. It is L. So what it will be? L-I-T, lit. Come on all of you repeat children. L-I-T, lit. Now look on the board. Come on repeat after me. L-I-T, lit. Okay, when we light something. Okay children. Now look at the next word. But before that, tell me what is the rhyming word? Correct. It is I-T, it. What it is children? I-T, it. Now look here. What is the initial sound? It is P. What is that children? P. So what it will be? P-I-T, pit. Come on repeat. P-I-T, pit. What it is children? P-I-T, pit. Okay. Now look here. Again, what is the rhyming sound? Correct. I-T, it. Now look here. What initial sound? Come on, come on. Yes. S. What is that? S. So what it will be? S-I-T, sit. We sit on the chair, right? S-I-T, sit. Come on, say S-I-T, sit. Now, again look here. What is that? I-T, it. What it is children? I-T, it. Okay. Now look at the initial sound. What it is? B-I-T, bit. What we do? We bit an apple. If we want to eat, what we take a bite, right? That is called bit. B-I-T, bit. All of you repeat. B-I-T, bit. Now look at the another rhyming sound. What is that? I-B, ib. All of you repeat children. I-B, ib. Okay. Now look here. Which rhyming sound? Correct. I-B, ib. And look here in front. Which initial sound is written? Correct. B. So what it will be? B-I-B, bib. What it is children? Look here on the board. B-I-B, bib. What is bib? You have seen a small baby? Yes. When mummy makes that baby eat something, she ties the bib, right? That is B-I-B, bib. Now, look here. What rhyming sound you can hear? I-B, ib. What it is children? I-B, ib. And look at the initial sound. What it is? N-I-B, nib. All of you repeat. N-I-B, nib. Okay, what is nib? Yeah, nib of a pen. Okay. Now, again, which rhyming sound? I-B, ib. All of you repeat. I-B, ib. Now look at the initial sound. What it is? Correct. R. What is the initial sound? R. So what it will be? R-I-B, rib. All of you repeat. R-I-B, rib. Okay. Now look here. What is that? Again, same initial rhyming word. Which is that? I-B, ib. What it is? I-B, ib. And look here, we add something. Now we add two letters to it. That is C and R. What it will be? Yes, C-R-I-B, crib. What it is, children? C-R-I-B, crib. Look here, C-R-I-B, crib. Crib is where baby Jesus was born, right? Very good. Now, what is the rhyming sound? Tell me. I-G, ig. What it is, children? Correct. I-G, ig. Now, again, look at the rhyming sound. Which sound is that? Again, you see. Yes. I-G, ig. What it is? I-G, ig. Now, what we are going to add? See, which initial sound is there? Correct. B. Which initial sound? B. What it will be? B-I-G, big. You know what is big, no? Big thing. Yes, correct. B-I-G, big. Now, look here. Which rhyming sound? Correct. I-G, ig. What it is, children? I-G, ig. Now, look here. What is the initial sound? All of you look. Come on, tell me. Yes, F. So, what it will be? F-I-G, fig. Fig is a fruit, right? Come on, all of you repeat. F-I-G, fig. Okay. Now again, look here. What is the rhyming sound? Correct. I-G, ig. What it is, children? I-G, ig. Now, which is the initial sound? Tell me. It is W. What it is? It is W. So, what it will be? Correct. W-I-G, wig. What it will be, children? W-I-G, wig. What is wig? Yes, that artificial hair comes, no? And you put on your head. That is wig. Now again, I-G, ig. What is? Come on, repeat, children. I-G, ig. And what is the initial sound there? Correct. J. What it is, children? J. So, what it will be? J-I-G, jig. Jig is a type of a dance, right? J-I-G, jig. Very good. Now, look this side. Now, which rhyming sound you can see? Look here. I and in. What it is, children? I and in. Now, see the rhyming sound. I and in. Now, what is the initial sound is there? Correct. T. What it is, children? T. So, what it is now? T, I and tin. What it is, children? T, I and tin. Look on the board. T, I and tin. Yes, you get a tin, no, of cold drink, right? Good. Now, again, look at the rhyming sound. What it is? I and in. Very good. All of you say I and in. Now, look at the initial sound. Which sound is that? Correct. B. What it is, children? B. So, what is the word now? B, I and bin. All of you repeat. B, I and bin. What is bin? Yes, you have a dustbin, right? In your school also and at your home also. What you do? You put waste paper in a dustbin. Whenever we want to sharpen a pencil, we sharpen it in a dustbin. Okay? Now, look here again. What is this? I and in. Okay, now look at the initial sound. What sound is that? Correct. It is W. So, what it is? W, I and win. Okay, you know what is win? Yes, when you win a match, you are happy and you say, yes, I win that match. Correct? So, W, I and win. Okay, now look here. What is the rhyming sound? Look here, children. Yes, I and in. Okay, now look at the initial sound. What it is? Correct. F. So, what it will be? F, I and fin. All of you look on the board and repeat. F, I and fin. You have seen a fish? Yes, it has got a fin. F, I and fin. Now, look at this rhyming sound. What it is? Correct. IP, ip. What it is, children? Very good. IP, ip. Okay. Now, same rhyming sound we have taken. And which letter we have added to it, initial sound? Very good. S. So, what it will be? Come on, try. Very good. It will be SIP, sip. All of you repeat. SIP, sip. You take a sip, right? When you drink a cold drink, you take a sip. Okay. Now again. Which rhyming sound? IP, ip. And now look at the initial sound. What it is? Correct. L. So, what it will be, children? LIP, lip. Come on, tell. LIP, lip. All of you show me your lips. Yes, correct. Okay. Now, look here. What is this? IP, ip. And now look. Which initial sound I have written there? Correct. T. So, what it will be? TIP, tip. Like this is a tip of a pen. That is pointed one, right? So, this is a tip. Okay. Now, look here. What is this? Yes, IP, hip. And which initial sound we are add to it? Correct. H. So, what it will be? HIP, hip. All of you repeat. HIP, hip. So, children, you have to study these words at home and you have to practice this one. All of you have to write it once and you have to practice. Okay, children? Thank you.